We set out to overcome the challenges you face when using metal detection. It's a bold new approach with a brand new technology, Multiscan. It's for demanding factory environments with heat, water, vibration, and electrical noise. The technology is in the new Thermo Scientific Sentinel Multiscan metal detector. There are 3 reasons Sentinel can make a difference in your food safety program and how you spend your day. Sentinel continuously scans up to 5 frequencies across the spectrum. Without Multiscan, you have only 1 or 2 frequencies. If Sentinel can't detect metal at one frequency, another can. Since Sentinel runs all of the frequencies, the types and sizes of metals you detect multiplies. We designed Sentinel to remove the things that cause operational headaches, like electromagnetic interference, power line noise, vibration, washdown leaks, and balance drift. The HD option can withstand 10,000 thermal shocks and aggressive cleaning. Sentinel performs at an optimal level over time and is able to identify contaminants that are up to 70% smaller in volume. Send us samples for testing or request an inline demonstration to see how Sentinel can enhance your food safety program.